Did you know just 20 seconds of movement can transform your entire day? Watch how a simple Tabata workout can boost your confidence and reduce stress. Meet Sarah, a busy professional struggling to find time for fitness. Like many, she faces the challenge of maintaining work-life balance, but discovered a game-changing solution. During her workday, she implements strategic 4-minute Tabata intervals, alternating 20 seconds of movement with 10 seconds of rest. This simple practice not only improves her range of motion, but triggers an impressive cascade of benefits. The short bursts of activity increase blood flow to major muscle groups, enhancing flexibility and releasing mood-boosting endorphins. Studies show these quick sessions can be as effective as longer workouts for stress reduction and mental clarity. By incorporating these mini breaks, Sarah transformed her daily routine from draining to energizing, proving that small-time investments yield significant wellness returns. Could 4 minutes change your workday? Try it and share your experience below.